All right, WMC, this is the video to find the 4 mini winners for the Mark Attanasio bobble. This is the mini. So we'll check the time July 2nd at 9:59 p.m. We're going to go over to the mini and type live. We have July 2nd at 9:59 p.m. There is the list of our 42 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then the top 4 after the final roll will win spots in the main. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 9. All right, 9 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Jason, Greg, and Jason. So, Jason, you will have, 11? 11, and then Jason, you will have 5. Greg, you'll have 3. And then Jason Zoran, you'll have the remaining 2. So there is our verification code. Our timestamp, once again, July 2nd, 10 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.